Today's video is going to be using colors. More specifically, we're going to be matching 3D shapes with their correct colors. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at those now. So I got all the names of the colors here at the top. And all we're going to do is just draw a line to the correct colors here below next to me. And then for extra review, we're going to go over the names of the 3D shapes that go with it. Let's take a look at the first color here. What is the name of that color? Remember what the name is? Yes, the name is blue. And where do you see blue here at the bottom that's next to me? Where do you see the color blue? That's right. That's blue. That's the color blue. And what's the name of this 3D shape? Do you remember what the name is? Correct. The name is cylinder. That's a cylinder. Okay, let's take a look at the next color here. And what's the name of that color? What's the name? Yes, the color is green. And where do you see green at? Where do you see it? That's right. That's green there. So that's the color green. And what's the name of that 3D shape? That's right. The name of this 3D shape is a cone. All right, let's take a look at this color here. What's the name of that color? Right, it's yellow. And where do you see yellow at down here at the bottom? Where do you see it? That is correct. That's yellow there. And what is the name of that 3D shape? Very good. That's a cuboid. Okay, let's take a look at this color here. And what's the name of this color? That's right, it's orange. And where do you see orange down here at? Very good. This is orange here. And what is the name of that 3D shape? Yes, the name of that 3D shape is a sphere. Okay, let's take a look at this color here. And what's the name of that color? Yeah, it's red. And where do you see red at here? That's right, that's red. And what is the name of that 3D shape? That's right, it's a cube. All right, and now let's take a look at the last color here. And what is the name of that color? Right, it's purple. All right, and where do you see purple at down here? And there's only one choice. Yeah, it's this one. That's purple. And what is the name of this 3D shape? Yeah, it's a pyramid. That's the name of that 3D shape. So for the bonus activity, you're going to do the exact same thing, except now I flip-flopped everything around. So I've got the 3D shapes here at the top and the names of the colors here next to me at the bottom. So all you're going to do is look at the 3D shape. What color is it? And then just match it up with the name of the color that's next to me. Okay, so like here, that's a cylinder. We know that. What color is that cylinder? And just draw a line to the name of that color. Okay, and you're going to do that for all 6 of these. All right, and that's the bonus activity for today. So that's today's video. I thought I'd do a little bit of a combination lesson where you're not only going over the colors and the names, but you're also matching them with the 3D shapes name as well, just for some extra review. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.